In this video we're going to look at limiting the Wi-Fi to a certain group. So that group could be your kids. When you send them to bed at night, they sit there on their iPads and Googling and Facebooking and everything. Well, what you can do with our access points is stop the Wi-Fi access. So log in as you would normally. Now you can only do this feature in gateway mode. So the access point needs to be in gateway mode for this to be available. So go to manage, go to time group, and what we're going to do is set up a group that we'll call kids. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add the kids to the group and basically switch that group off at certain times and switch it on at certain times. So we've called it kids. We'll switch their Wi-Fi access off at 8 o'clock at night, and it won't come back on until 8 o'clock in the morning. Now, do we want to do that every day, or do we want to do it on certain days? Well, we'll let them have access on Fridays and Saturdays. So we're already going to set those days. So this filter will kick in on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Sunday, and we'll give it a name, kids Wi-Fi, and save that. So this is the timed group setup, and we can see that we've called it kids, and the time range that it'll be active, 8 o'clock at night till 8 in the morning, and the days that it'll be active, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Sunday. And if there's any problems there, you can click the cog, and that allows you to edit what you've set up. Now go back to security, go to Mac filter, prohibit, because we want to stop the kids at a certain time, and then click add. So we're going to give the name of kids Wi-Fi in this example, and here you'll find a group that we created earlier which is called kids. Now the next bit is finding the devices that the kids use. These are the devices that you're going to block at certain times, so hit scan. And there we go, that's me. That's me on my phone. So that's the IP address that I'm allocated at the minute, and the MAC address of my phone, and that's just the name that I've given to my phone. That's my call sign. There we go. So that's the name, that's the MAC address. We're ready for adding that. There we go. I am now in the blocked list on my phone, and again, if you make any errors there, you can click the cog, go back into it, switch it on and off as needed, but you do that for every device that the kids have got. And what will happen is anybody that's in that group at that time will be kicked off the internet. So their internet would not work between 8 and 8 on those days.